In the spirit of making do, I have a 25-foot chain, which is a bit excessive. A shorter one would be better, maybe a couple of feet even. I have a high lift jack, and here's the T-post that I want to remove. As you know, the T-post has little knobs out of it, which is going to be a good part of why we're using a chain and jack to pull this up. This is only for the purpose of showing you how this works. You see the knobs are caught on the chain. I have the chain as tight as I can around the T-post. It's good and sturdy. I'm going to put the high lift jack underneath this on one of the links or the hook, jack it up, and it'll come right out of the ground. I'm not going to leave it that high. I want to start as close to the ground as I can get. I got as low to the ground as I could. I actually wrapped the chain a couple of times around. I've got the high lift jack hooked up under a link, and I'm slowly but surely raising this up. I've already gotten it out of the ground, maybe an inch or two. It came out of the ground straight, and it only took me, I don't know, 30 seconds, 45 seconds maybe, to get a nice straight post out of the ground for reuse. Some people will use bucket loaders on tractors using the same theory. Hook the chain around them, hook the other end of the chain to the bucket, and then lift it up. In just a few minutes, I've got 5 posts out of the ground, all straight, all ready to be put in somewhere else to help repair fence or build fence.